Right, welcome back to AJP Garden Machines. In this video I'm going to start the prep work, start cutting out this area, ready for concrete to go in. So what we're going to do for the time being is get this bit done first, the bit what's going to be where the shed actually sits, and then I'm going to do this area. For the time being I'm going to start piling the soil out of here onto there. So I'm going to have to dig it all out, and then I'll have to order in the concrete and some stuff to go underneath, MOT stuff I'm going to put underneath, and we'll get the prep work done while the weather's sort of alright. It's not too hot, so it's alright to work in. I could have popped to the garage and got my rotivator, but you know what, a bit of manual labour will do me good. So yeah, let's do that. If you are new around here, make sure to like, share and subscribe. There's an Amazon wish list if you want to help me out with tools, etc. So yeah, we've got plenty coming. As soon as this shed's built, we'll get right back to the mower stuff and stringers and whatnot, and we'll get that done. So yeah, let's get started and get it done. So it's definitely a bit of exercise which I had for a while, but there is a few little rocks and stuff in with it. So what I'm thinking about depth is one spit down, which in the gardening terms, one spit is the length of your spade. So that's a bad spot. I might have to get the rotivator on it. So when talking that dug out to that far, and then we'll see what's what. So a bit of work. There's loads of little rocks in there, so I may have to get the old rotivator out after all. At the garage, just to make my life easier, because I want it like this area. This is what I done the other day with a fork. I want it like this, so it's, you know, nice and easy. Makes life a lot easier. And I'll go to there, but I'll need to grab the tape measure and just make sure when it comes to doing the last bit, just to make sure I've left enough space. But I think I have, because I think it roughly went up to that shed there. So I believe so. Plus there's a bit of an overhang on the concrete. But what I want to do is do all of this concrete. Just makes it a lot easier, less grass. It's going to look a bit daft with just this little piece of grass left. So that's going to go as well. And we'll have like a drain off. Have it slightly sloping to drain off. So I'm going to crack on. And then I'll come back. I'm not going to put any more in of me doing the actual donkey work, because it's killing me. Definitely gathering up a bit of a sweat. Yeah. So it's better to do this when it's cooler, like it is today. So we'll carry on, and I'll bring you back in a bit once I've got all the grass off, and then we'll start going down. Probably tomorrow I'll start get a rotavator out, weather depending, and that's if it starts, because I can't remember if that got winterised, because I've had that machine for about a year and a half. I picked up that because I did do a video, I think it was my actual first video under the new channel I did. So yeah, it'd be about a year and a half I've had it. Yeah, so hopefully I did drain it out. I think I did. I just can't remember. We'll see anyway. And if it ain't, we know how to fix it. So jobs are good then. Yeah, so I'll get back to you in a bit. We've got it down to, well, we've got all the turf off. Well, grass seed. All done really good either. So now we need I'm probably going to get a rotavator to do the top bit, but I've just found out this. So, because around here there's a river close, so it's known for like waterlogging and flooding. So they've actually put a membrane down, a cloth one, and actually put hardcore on top, so it's going to make it a bit harder to do, but we'll get it done, because I want it a bit deeper than what that goes up to. As you can see, the concrete here, what's already here, actually goes deeper. And I want to put my own hardcore in, so I'm going to have to rip all this up. Hopefully it comes up pretty easy, and put our own in. So it's getting there. So hopefully tomorrow, because it's getting quite late now, starting to go dark. Hopefully tomorrow, if the weather's okay, I'll get the rotavator out of the back of the garage and start rotavating the top part off and see what I'm going to do with the hardcore underneath. Because I reckon it's going to be a bit of a pain. So yeah, so I'm going to put this video out today, because I haven't done a video all this week because the weather's been pretty hit and miss. So I'll put this video out today as part 1 to the preparation for the shed build. So yeah, if you are new around here, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and hit the little bell notification so you know every time I upload. And in the top line of my description there's an Amazon wish list if you wish to help me out with the channel. I've got a few bits and bobs on there. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.